Most agency owners rely on their gut, but I built a custom AI agent to replicate mine. Not just to save me time, but to pass on everything I know to my team and the partners working with me so I don't have to be in every meeting. Let's be real, marketing moves so fast, and as an agency founder, you've got so much on your plate and so much going through your brain from positioning, messaging, just trying to figure out what actually converts. So I ask, what if I could clone that? Not just document it, but make it smart, useful, and scalable. And that's when I built our AI agent. It's trained on our branding guidelines, our customer insights, and all of our success stories, all that stuff that makes our marketing work. Now, if I write landing pages, email sequences, video scripts, ad copy, all in our voice, for our exact audience. And it gets smarter. The more we use it, every campaign, it makes it better. So if you're wondering how to build your own version of this, here's a simple playbook that I followed. The first thing is I documented the gold, the brand voice, the customer pain points, transformation stories. Then number two, I trained it. I fed it into ChatGPT with clear instructions on how you think and what you want it to do. Number three, I defined the job. Ours writes copy in our tone for our agency audience across all key channels. Number four, I test and tune it. I use it on real campaigns. I give it feedback, I refine it. And lastly, I roll it out. Now our team and our vendors can access this brain trust without being the bottleneck. Now, let me show you how it actually works, how we trained it, how we use it, and how it's helping us scale our marketing without scaling headaches. Okay, so what most people actually do is just come to the prompt and they just start chatting in, and maybe they actually share and everyone logs into the same one. But what most people don't know is you can create your own little AI agents. So if you go to this Explore ChatGPT right here, and then you go into Create, you can type in the name and you can say Super AI Marketing Agent. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in instructions like, you are the world's best marketing agent. This is kind of what most people do just on the prompts. We're going to put in here. But where it actually gets exciting is you can upload all the data. So right here, you can see I can upload my brand guideline. I can upload my case stories. I can upload our clients' biggest challenges. Why did they invest in their own words? Right? These are lines of thousands of data points. I can upload all of this. And then the cool part, and I'm going to show you our ChatGPT, our super marketing agent. So when you actually go in here, it's going to pull from all these success stories. Here's the content that we're using to prompt. You're the world's best marketing agent for agency mastery. I'm going to upload branding guidelines, customer survey, success stories. So it's basically pulling all this information. So within Agency Mastery, we document all the successes our clients have on our methodology, which is attract, convert, and scale so they can actually sell. So each of these has amazing content that we can actually pull. And so we've uploaded there. Same thing with our branding guidelines. Like, this is our mission, our vision, our core values. This is our tone, our visual identity, content guideline, all this stuff we're constantly uploading to this agent. And the cool part about this is we can actually share this link with anyone on our team. Okay. So then when they actually go in here, so let's go into ChatGPT. I am going to click on the marketing strategist agent, and I'm going to say, let's say, draft me an email to my list about an agency we helped sell their business. So now it's just going to pull all the information from them. It's going to do it in our tone. So right now, from gym teacher to a 7-figure exit, how he dealt with it. And then it's just going to say, what if I told you a former gym teacher built and sold the agency for a life-changing sum? Meet David Baker. And it's going to go into that and create this amazing content in seconds. That's the power of creating an AI agent. And you see how simple it is. Now, if this got you fired up and you're thinking, I need more clarity and control in my agency, let's make it happen, right? I want to build you a custom agency blueprint that shows you exactly you can scale faster in the right way by dialing in your offer, your pricing, your positioning, and your systems. Now, this is personalized, it is actionable, and it's designed to get you out of the weeds and into your growth mode. Now, make sure you grab the link below to get your very own custom agency blueprint. No more guessing, just a clear path to scaling. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you want more content like this, make sure you click on the link on the screen or check out your most popular podcast platform where the full episode is there. And until next time, have a swank day. What are you doing? Go check it out. Click on the link. I'll see you soon.